In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise for Amazon Seller Central Payments. We'll walk through the full process of connecting your Wise account to Amazon Seller Central so you can receive your seller payouts correctly and manage them more efficiently. First, open Wise and either sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. As part of setup, you'll need to complete identity verification. This is a normal requirement and helps unlock the account features you need. After that, add the currency you want to receive from Amazon. For example, if you sell on Amazon US, you'll want to add a USD balance. Then select Get Account Details. Wise may ask for additional verification before showing your full receiving details, so complete anything else they request. Once your account is ready, open your Wise account details for the correct currency. If you're receiving payouts from Amazon US, open your USD account details. From there, copy the banking information Amazon asks for, such as the account holder name, bank name, account number, routing number, and any other required details. Make sure you enter these exactly as they appear in Wise, since even small errors can delay approval. Next, log into Amazon Seller Central, go to Settings, then Account Info. Under Payment Information, open Bank Account Info or Deposit Methods and choose Add New Deposit Method. Now it's time to add your Wise account. Select the correct Amazon Marketplace or store, then choose the bank location that matches your Wise account details. For example, Wise USD details should use a US bank location. Enter your Wise banking information carefully, review everything one more time, and then submit it. After submission, Amazon may ask you to verify the bank account. If that happens, you may need to upload a Wise proof of account ownership document or a bank statement. According to Wise, Amazon's verification can take up to 4 working days, so give it a little time. Once approved, your Amazon payouts will be sent to the bank account you added in Seller Central. In simple terms, your Amazon sales payouts will arrive in your Wise balance for that currency. When the money arrives, open that balance in Wise and select Convert. From there, choose the currency you want, such as PHP or another supported option. Review the exchange rate and any fees, then confirm the conversion. After that, you can send the funds to your external bank account if that option is available for your setup. If you sell in multiple Amazon marketplaces, repeat the same process using the matching Wise local account details for each one. For example, use USD details for Amazon US, EUR, or IBAN details for Amazon EU, and GBP details for Amazon UK. The key is to always match the Amazon marketplace with the correct local payout details shown in Wise.